This thing's so Disney, it's got a jaw freeze. Convention
In
Center.
the convention center, grand ballroom area. This is one of the ballrooms. So we are staying for the next 2 nights at the B in a Posh suite. And our room number is 620. We're on the 6th floor. Took a couple of tries to find the right elevator, but we found it. Let's go in. Okay, so a Posh suite consists of a living room, a bathroom, and a bed, just separate bedroom, and a very crooked lampshade.
Fixed it. Got a Keurig.
Keurig machine, and you get 2 free bottles of water a day.
Mm-hmm.
Those are these little ones. To see how many ounces that is. Glasses are on my neck. And then the chair and the sofa. And then you don't really get a balcony, but you get a pretend balcony. Oh wait,
Ooh.
hang on. No balcony access. I don't know what that means. That means
no access.
that means
Oop.
it only does that. Unless I oh yeah. There's a
Yeah,
thingy up there.
Yep.
Okay, so you can get a little bit of air. Ooh, I'm on the balcony. I'm on the balcony. I'm breaking rules. Okay, so we have a Disney. I think we have a theme park view.
We do.
Oh my God, we have a theme park view. Well, this block is pretty superfluous. We have. I can see the Hyatt Regency. I can see
There it is.
Swan and Dolphin, which means Epcot is probably behind that building.
Yep.
Although we're not good at this game. We're really bad at the Find the Icon game.
All right, well, continuing the tour.
Okay, tour.
Here's a bathroom. I don't know if it's the bathroom.
I think it's the bathroom. I do think it is the bathroom. It's a great big step-in shower and a funky little sink.
I've seen a video where you get a Veda. That's true. All right, so consistent there.
Sink has water. Shower.
And then,
Shower.
ooh. Where's the light switch? There you go. So everybody having to put up with these crummy shots. A funky doodle ottoman.
Okay, all the lampshades are crooked. What the hell happened in this room? Look at the phone.
Yeah.
It's a very old-fashioned, but push one.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that cute?
Another funky doodle ottoman.
That's weird. Look at the cute little closet. Look at the safe.
Yep. So that's pretty much it. It's very contemporary, stylish.
Yeah, that's kind of their theme.
This is the Posh suite. There's my sweet desk.
Oh! See-through fridge! You know what's not in this room that I saw in other videos was the display of snacks for $5. Like a...
Maybe it's on that side.
I already tried that side. That side's just shelves. like a mini bar kind of thing.
Not
And
that
there
I
were
want
big
it.
bottles of Voss water in that you could get. Maybe I don't know.
Maybe they truck it in when we're not looking.
I don't know. But other than that, it's interesting. All the drawers and everything are out here
Mm-hmm.
and not in the bedroom.
Yep.
And I didn't realize the bathroom was off the living room. I thought it was in the bedroom.
Yeah, or I would have thought there would be like some kind of bathroom in there and here, but that's
How
nice.
posh are you?
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Well, and you've got a desk to work at, another crooked lampshade.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice.
Yep.
I like it.
Yep.
It's 2 nights. It's going to definitely suit our purposes.
That's right.
Yes. You're going to especially want to hear this, Ethan. Their beds. You know how the Swan and Dolphin have heavenly beds? I don't know if it's Wyndham or who it is.
Wyndham.
Here they're called blissful beds. And they're supposed to be super comfy. Should we check it out?
Sure. Oh, there's frogs on. I'm not going on there.
That's pretty hard. Not Sarah-Lago hard. But it's definitely firm. You're gonna have to test it. I think it's okay. I don't know why I'm laying here like I've been embalmed, but you know.
So when did you first start having these feelings about hotel rooms?
Yeah, banana French. Hey, I don't think these prices are horrible.
So yeah, this is a pretty firm bed you got there, Ferd.
Yeah, that really is.
It feels like a sleep number kind of cranked up to a max. But the Sarah-Lago that we stayed at many years ago, that was like the gold standard for terrible. So I don't think this is quite there, and actually right now after all this walking around Epcot, anything feels good right now. So there's that. How about this?
No!